We've all been there. You're looking for that one video of your dog sneezing from 2019, but your desktop looks like a digital junk drawer. You've got 3 external drives, 2 cloud accounts, and a micro SD card hidden in a sock. No longer. Listen, collecting the media is the easy part. Organizing it? That's where the real battle begins. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we're looking at tips to turn that digital chaos into a streamlined media empire. Let's dive in. Before you start dragging files around like a caffeinated squirrel, you have to decide what's actually worth the space. Not all data is created equal, so figure out if you're saving a sacred family legacy or just hoarding every meme you've seen since 2014. If you're building a family archive, harass your relatives for their photos now before they accidentally delete them or drop their phones in a pool. You also need to move fast on those ancient VHS tapes or dusty CDs from high school. Magnetic media has a shelf life, and if you don't digitize those memories soon, they'll turn into a digital soup that no one can recover. Don't fall into the trap of a one-size-fits-all filing system, because you shouldn't organize a movie library the same way you handle tax returns. For music, let the artist and album name lead the way. But for photos and videos, chronological order is the way to go. Stick to a year, month, and event hierarchy to keep things simple. To really level up, use a disk cataloging app that acts like a GPS for your data. It scans your unplugged drives and tells you exactly which one to grab so you aren't playing a frustrating game of USB Roulette for 20 minutes. Digital organization isn't a one-and-done project. It's a lifestyle. Keep a simple cheat sheet that lists what lives where so you don't lose your mind 6 months from now. Be absolutely ruthless with the delete key and trash those 17 blurry photos of a sandwich you ate in 2018. Remember, hard drives aren't immortal, so keep an eye on your hardware and upgrade to a fresh SSD before your old drive decides to retire without notice. If you have kids, protect your work by setting permissions so your professional portfolio doesn't get accidentally overwritten by the Flat Cats mod for Minecraft. Finally, let's talk gear. If you're moving 4K video on a cheap drive you got at a trade show, you'll be waiting so long you might grow a beard. Upgrading to an SSD is like trading a tricycle for a rocket ship, offering speeds roughly 10 times faster than old-school mechanical drives. Format your gear to exFAT so it plays nice with both Mac and Windows, and always follow the 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies of your data on 2 different media types with 1 copy stored safely offsite. Organizing feels like a chore until the moment you find a specific memory in 5 seconds flat. Pick one messy drive this weekend and start your empire. How many terabytes of chaos are we currently dealing with on your end? Let us know in the comments, and I will see you next time on DIY in 5.